Hey, hello folks. What is going on? Welcome to our channel, Alien Watch. Today we are gonna know more about Finansio. So let's jump into this video. Before going any further, let me introduce Finansio to you. Finansio is a cryptocurrency and reward-based marketplace powered by decentralized smart contracts. Finansio will promote a financial revolution by utilizing blockchain technology, which will leave everyone more financially and socially engaged, empowered, and able to gain maximum rewards by engaging in numerous ways. Finansio's mission is to provide security, transparency, large cash deposit, and withdrawal limitations, and improve chances. In a nutshell, Finansio is a solution-based ecosystem in a single package. The vision of Finansio. We want cryptocurrencies to be a part of everyone's portfolio. We foresee a society in which wealth build techniques that were previously available to the wealthy are made open to everyone, restoring people's control over our financial institution. By keeping the Leaf token for a long time, Finansio will establish a new ecosystem to bring more people into digital assets, allowing them to generate a passive income through risk distribution or reflection while retaining their privacy, security, authority, and autonomy. Furthermore, with the Leaf currency digital asset, we want to establish an economy based on good monetary laws and robust and solid decentralized basis. Finansio Staking. Finansio uses the Binance platform, which is sustainable and environmentally friendly, and uses a proof of stake algorithm. Binance is not only the largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, but it is also provides excellent staking services by utilizing excellent security mechanisms and offering a secure asset fund for users. Binance staking guarantees protected users' money. We need to know about Finansio's ecosystem. Finansio is a unique coin that may be acquired through various cryptocurrency rewards. Finansio is a contemporary cryptocurrency that means extensive participation to get, and Finansio has a worldwide ecosystem of people and ideas that offers the required velocity, speed, and direction to assist the world's best innovators in bringing the future of lotteries, stocking, farming, and crypto exchange to perfection. Thanks guys for staying with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned with us for more. Tech Love.